Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here you have diol with 4 methyl groups. You are using the sulfuric acid. You should find what will be the final product. Here you are having diol. You might realize the Pinacol Pinacolone Rearrangement. First step will be the water removal. So OH will be removed. You have cation formation. Then the cation has to be quenched. So cation quenched by methyl migration. So cation near the alcohol. The cation near the alcohol quenched as carbonyl. So you start with diol, end with carbonyl with the rearrangement of the methyl groups. The concept you outlined here is in Pinacol Pinacolone rearrangement, migrating ability does not matter because both results the same product.
That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.